So one of the best ways to make yourself more efficient at the shop is to have proper lighting. And with daylight savings coming up, it's going to be darker sooner, it's going to be cloudier, you're going to have the rainy season, and lighting is going to be key for fixing cars in the shop. So stay tuned for the perfect tool for that task. So Milwaukee Tools has come out with a brand new M12 tower light, what they call the Rocket. So this is a tripod style light that is fully adjustable. You can adjust it from 3 feet up to 5 foot 8 inches. The light has two settings, a high which is 1400 lumens and a low that's 700 lumens. It works with all the M12 batteries. It also has an AC outlet for those extremely long run times. This light can be set up in less than 5 seconds. All you have to do is squeeze the tabs on the side of the tool here and pull the legs downwards, and that'll lock the legs in the lock position. Once you got the legs locked, you can go ahead and extend the boom, so you can adjust it from 3 feet up to 5 foot 8 inches, which is the tallest setting here. Once you get it adjusted to the height that you like or works best for you, the power switch is going to be right here on the front of the tool. So it has two modes, a high and a low. On high, you're going to have 1400 lumens and about 5 hours of runtime. On low, you're going to have 700 lumens and about 10 hours of runtime. And that's all done with a 4 amp hour battery. Obviously, if you use the 6 hour amp battery, you're going to get a little bit longer life out of it. The light on it is what they call the Trueview, so it's kind of like mimicking the natural sunlight and what you would naturally see. It also features a fuel gauge on the front here, so if you press the button here, you can see what your battery life is. So now that you know all about the features, I wanted to show you why you would want to use this and put this to use. So it's perfect in those dimly lit shops or those mobile mechanics that are on the go and to use it as a work light. You can angle it in just about all kinds of angles. Like right here, I'm using it as an overhead light working on the engine bay. You can use it from underneath the vehicle. You can use it to light up, a general area. It has a broad range of uses. You can adjust or swivel the head of the light in the perfect position, left, right, up, or down, to get that perfect lighting for whatever you're working on. So on the previous vehicle, I had it at the highest setting of 5 foot 8, but this car is a lot lower, so I have it set down at the 3 foot level. I also like to use it underneath the vehicle like this, shining the light up onto the work that I'm doing. So I'm about to pull a transmission out of this vehicle, and lighting up the underside gives me that perfect lighting to get to all the bolts and fasteners. I have no problem seeing what I'm doing, so that's going to make me more efficient. I'm able to get these bolts and fasteners out. I'm not hunting for a flashlight or trying to hold a flashlight in the position. I'm free with 2 hands to work on everything. Working from underneath, I did find that having it on the low setting was the best. On a high, it tend to blind you, but on the low setting, it's not too bright, and it's still enough light to light up whatever workspace you're working on. And as you can see, the light is crystal clear. So I pulled this transmission out and installed the new transmission, and I accidentally left the light on while I went to lunch. I also got pulled off of the car a couple times while I was working on it and left the light on. So the light was on for about 6 hours straight, and I was switching from high and low, and I had a full charge battery, and I still had 1 bar, so I would say the times are accurate with what they're reporting. This light is going to be a very handy light for you guys. I would highly recommend it. I will link it up in the description of the video. I'm Brian Nesson from How To Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching my videos, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.